Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a sample HTML code and creation of files and folders in which the HTML code will be stored, and all the general thing what will happening in the HTML studio code editor, all the things that we are going to learn in this video. Okay, let me proceed further. Okay, at first you need to create a folder in your laptop or any desktop. For example, I am creating my folder in my desktop only to identify a bit easier, and creation of folder like sample HTML code. I am giving the one folder name as sample HTML code, and after successful creation of the folder in your PC and open the Visual Studio, and the interface will looks like this, and you need to open that folder in this Visual Studio code editor, and you have two options to open that folder. You can open the folder by clicking this open folder button, or else expand this explorer and open folder from here. Okay, desktop, select the folder and open it. Okay, after opening the folder will be opening here, and you need to create one file in that folder. Like, by clicking this you can create one new file, and I will give the file name as index.html. Okay, I will given the name as index.html because if for every starting page of the website the developers will give the name as index, because index is the starting point of the any website. Okay, the first page of the website will be referred as index, and so that most of the developers will follow the same naming convention, and I am also going in that way. Index.html. .html is the extension for the HTML file. Okay, in this coding environment we need to develop our code. Okay, as this was a sample HTML code, I will give you a simple trick to get the entire structure of the HTML code. Give a exclamatory mark. Okay, after giving exclamatory mark, press the tab key, or else you can press this. Okay, this is the structure of the HTML code. Okay, don't worry about it, I will give you everything about the entire element in the next upcoming videos. Please wait for them. And in the title I will mention like first code. Okay, in the body I am giving some heading like h1 heading with some content like welcome to free knowledge, and I will also add one paragraph like good to see you all here. Okay, this is the code. Okay, we need to save this code by clicking Ctrl plus S, or else we need to save this file from here. Go to file and click save here. Okay, after saving the file, minimize the Visual Studio Code, open the folder that you created at the starting of this video, sample HTML code, and you will be reflected one file like index. Okay, open that index file. You can open that file in any browser. I am preferred to Google Chrome. Okay, open with Google Chrome. Okay, here is the final code. Okay, at first we give the title name as first code. Here is the title name, and we have created one heading like welcome to free knowledge. This is the heading, and then we have given one paragraph like good to see you all here. This is the paragraph, and if we compare both like this, we can see that. I will disable this for this moment. Okay, you can see here This is the title name that we have given to the code, like first code. Okay, title name as first code. This is the title name. Okay, and in the body we have given one heading like h1 with an h1 tag. Welcome to free knowledge. This is the heading, and in paragraph we have given like good to see you all here. This is the paragraph. This is the simple HTML code that we have to develop in Visual Studio Code Editor or else with any code editor, but preferably use Visual Studio Code Editor. And if we can also include like another paragraph like how are you all. Okay, after saving we need to refresh it from here. Okay, that thing is reflected here. Okay, the paragraph is reflected here. Okay, 2s. Okay, how are you all. But what I am doing, you have to observe, is when I change the code here, in for every changing of the content I need to refresh it from here. But to avoid that time gap between those shifting of one page to another page, we have a simple extension like open the extensions and search for live server. Okay, open the live server and install this live server in your Visual Studio Code Editor. I have already installed it and no need to install it again, and you have to install it and enable it from here, live server. The use of the live server is when, okay, after installing live server, you will be highlighted with this icon at the bottom of your Visual Studio Code Editor, and click on that icon, go live. Okay, after clicking, now if I close the dialog box, and after clicking, if now I change anything on this like live server installed, okay, if I have given this to this, and if I press Ctrl S, and after successful saving of the file, or else I can also save it from here. After successful saving of the file, we can directly see the result here, live server installed, without the refreshing of this page. Okay, I will show you again. Okay, see here, I am including another paragraph like how was my lecture. Okay, if I am giving a save, like save, it will be directly reflected here without any refreshing of the page. This is the use of the live server installation. Please do that in that extension also. And okay, this is the general sample HTML code, and we have learned a lot in this video, and in the next upcoming videos we are going to learn all these elements and generation of the sample HTML code by our own. Okay, thank you all.